this is Monica Jenkins, better known as Harmony, and I wanted to come to you today to share with you an amazing product that I'm super thankful to have in my household right now. Times are unpredictable with toxins in our environments, and I'm really thankful to have the power of CBG plus 18 herbs in this product all together, and I'm going to go over those real quick below. First off, our base here is going to be a CBG product. So we have CBD on the market, but we also now have CBG, and this is going to contain 500 milligrams of CBG, and it has properties that are antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic. It's just all over. It helps balance and improve your gut health and support optimum immune cell function. And I'm just super thankful to have this in my household, like I said. So I'm going to real quick go over these 18 herbs that we have as well and inside this product. So we have oil of oregano, which is obviously an antioxidant, and it's antimicrobial properties as well. This really helps with the immune system. I know I have a bottle of oil of oregano already in my cabinet. We also have eucalyptus. I usually have this in an oil in my house so that when I get, congested or maybe allergies, I'll go ahead and smell the eucalyptus, and it helps to cool the lungs. And also to soothe coughing and all that, to ease excess inflammation as well. So then we also have ginseng, Asian ginseng, which is in here to improve health and well-being. And it also helps with stimulate physical and mental activity, and helps strengthen the cognitive function, when you're fatigued and worn down. So we also have a garlic in this as well, which is really a really good herb to decrease adrenal fatigue and strengthen the immune system. We have the reishi mushroom here as well, which looks like it's going to help increase white blood production, which obviously helps to fight infections. And then we also have the MCT oil, which is really awesome coconut oil. I actually have a bottle of that as well, so I'll put that in my smoothie. So I'm excited that this is actually suspended in that type of oil as well. We also have straight up vitamin A, which is you usually have to eat a lot of carrots and orange fruits and vegetables to get a lot of vitamin A, but this actually has it in it. We also have a clove, which is high amounts of antioxidant, and this can also aid the immune system fighting off oxidative damage and free radicals. It's really good for helping expel mucus and increases the immunity. And we have licorice as well, which is a protective for the respiratory system. So it will boost your endurance and energy, and it soothes the muscles in the bronchi and helps contain many antiviral and antibacterial properties. We also have the Chinese skullcap root here, which is going to help with the respiratory system as well, and the immune system as well. So all of these are very geared towards boosting our immunity, and a lot of them I have separately. So I also have some spearmint oil as well in my cabinet that I would put on. You can actually drink it, you can do a lot of different things, but this is all going to be in one supplemental oil that's able to be drank. So it's really powerful with one tincture droplet full. Olive leaf oil as well, which is an immunostimulant. Olive leaf activates immune response and increases activity. So it is very powerful all alone. And then we also have linalool, which looks like it's going to be beneficial for balancing the support of the respiratory health. It also promotes calmness and relaxation. And we also have a turpentine from neurolididol. I'm going to mess this up. And geranol. So these are turpentines that are included in this product for different reasons. So this one's going to have a ginger orange flower, jasmine, and hemp. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial properties. It is known for a light, relaxant effect. And we also have General as a sweet-smelling plant and flower, such as a rose, lemongrass, citronella, peaches, blueberries, carrots. The primary terpene has been studied for its immunodulatory effect, helping to modify an ideal immune system response, and contains properties that limit physical distress. So that's pretty awesome. Ooh, we also have echinacea in this product, which, yes, I have a bottle of echinacea, golden seal, but now this actually replaces that, or substitute, having to have multiple products in my cabinet. Now I can have one. Let's see, Pod d'Arco, botanical herb, which is native to the Amazon rainforest, and it is an antioxidant that eases discomfort. And elderberry as well. I have a bottle of that. Packed in antioxidant and vitamins, elderberry is one of the earliest botanical remedies used to support immune system health and ease cold and flu symptoms. Experts also suggest that elderberry helps tame the body discomfort, eases cold and flu symptoms, and lessens stress and aids heart health. So those are already in my cabinet, and I'm super excited that they put it all in one product where I can just take that and know that I am getting all in one. So back to the beginning, and that it covers the 18 herbs that are in this amazing shield product we have here. If you want to know more, hit me up. I would love to send you some more information. I'll be doing a few more videos to cover other products that we have to offer as well. If you're looking for supportive income during this uncertain time, this is definitely an opportunity where you not only have high quality products that have amazing bodily functioning properties, but also an opportunity that you can, build a business, become a brand ambassador, and distribute the products as well to help your friends, family, community, and anyone you may know that will benefit from this type of product in their life, which in my opinion would be like everyone right now, because no one is obviously completely safe against what the world is going through right now. So if you have any questions, let me know. I would love to send you more information. Until next time, I hope you have a blessed and prosperous day wherever you may be in the world. Thank you for tuning in. God bless. Bye.